Okay, man. No. That's way too loud. Oh. Hold on. I hate it. I hate it so much. It's the worst. Wait, let me turn the volume down on that. It is pure torture, so I hope you enjoy it. I hate it so much. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, let me oh my god. I hate this so much. I can't even talk. No. You guys wanted you guys wanted to you guys wanted to hear me. You wanted to hear me burp, so here it is. Here's your burps, okay? I hate this. This is horrible. I hate it so much. I don't know how long to put it for. I thought I made it too expensive before, and then I turned it down. I turned it down.
This one, oh god. Okay, I'm glad you guys are enjoying it at least. There's a queue lined up. Oh boy.
Oh boy, no. No. Also, I...
Oh god, no. Make it stop.
still have, oh god, okay. I cannot. Oh my gosh. It's too much. Okay, maybe I should have made it more expensive. Maybe I made it too cheap. You guys, I'm gonna turn the price up. But I thought 500 bits for 10 seconds was too much. I also have a... Yeah, I turned it down to 50. Ooh. You guys are getting banned. Okay, I'm gonna change it. Hold on. Okay, oh god, where is it? I forgot how to do it. Oh. Okay, okay. Okay, where is it? Oh. That was like a 4 in a row. Okay. 500. Change the price. Okay, 500. This is horrible. I'm sorry. I drank too much soda before stream. I'm sorry. Oh no, and oh.
It's too much. It's too much. Okay. It's done, right?
So, no, it's not over. What is this? Oh, are we in auto tuna mode? Hello, auto tuna. It's chaos. It's too chaotic. Llama man. Llama skin. Okay. Hello, welcome. Oh my gosh. Was 500 not make it 1,000, you guys. Really do I really have to make it 1,000? Oh no. Maybe. You guys are torturing me. Oh. Scam train. You're being scammed by the burps. Burp scam train. Belching scam train. Get scammed by the belching. I think I might have made a mistake. I think I gave you guys way too much power. I underestimated you. I underestimated your power. I didn't think you'd do it. I shouldn't have trusted you. It feels like it's bugged. I'm gonna look at the queue. Hold on a second. Oh, yeah. Let me look at the queue. Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let me look at the queue. Should it be off? I don't think it stopped. Why is it still going? Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. There we go. Okay. There, it should be good now. Should be good. No more. No more burping.